Bye, Dave.
Bye. I'll see you after work. Oh, what's up, bro?
I'm just telling you.
Hey, man, I feel so much better. It was just a little cough.
Oh, great.
Stay back! Thanks, I love you.